So let's talk a little bit about what made Schoolie Mitchell the winner for you. So we also looked at a sign production business.
We did.
We looked at a personal care
Mm,
business, completely different options. And I remember there were things you liked about all of them, different
yeah.
things that you
Yep.
liked
And the
about the
staffing. We also looked at a
staffing
staffing
business, right?
staffing business. I liked them all for different reasons, to be honest. Every one of them had a component or two or five that I thought this could be really attractive for whatever reason, whether it was because it was a licensing and not really have a lot of, royalties and franchise fees, whether it was that it could be, semi absentee ownership, and I could maybe go back and get a corporate job or do another business, whether it was the flexibility and ability to, and the portability, what I could say, right? We may not, we love it here. We may want to live here forever, but we may also want to move. My family lives in a different state. Do I want to move near my aging parents? So for me, in the end, this one, Schoolie Mitchell in particular, came to the forefront for me almost from the beginning for two reasons. One is, as an accounting and finance professional, it really resonated with what we do. I felt like the product that we sell, the service that we sell, was something that resonated with me, and I could articulate to clients. I could have some credibility with clients because I have a past experience of, being in their shoes and making tough decisions about costs and allocation of funds. And so that really resonated with me. And yet it's totally new, right? I've never done business development. I've never, been out on the online researching companies to figure out, who should I approach and why. And I've never worked in a franchising model, right? So even just the franchising model itself was new and different. But so it was attractive because it had something old and something new, right? I just need something borrowed and blue. But it was something, hey, I get this, I understand this. I'd actually heard of Schoolie Mitchell through my prior life, and what they do and who they are. And so that really resonated. But then okay, so that's great. I don't want to just do something that I've done before because it's a crutch or it's safe or it feels like that. It doesn't feel like that, right? It feels very exciting and new, and gives me a renewed energy towards learning and growing and being, just in a different role than I've really ever been in before.